welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another new video, and today we're going to do a haul. I'm so excited because this was supposed to be a Black Friday haul, but I had to wait for some of the products that I got from online to arrive, and it didn't arrive until a week ago, and I just didn't have the time to really film like this because I have been super busy with work and with sleeping. This feels like a super expired haul. Finally opening them, and I'm finally gonna show you guys. I love watching videos like this, people showing the stuff that they bought on Black Friday. So this will just give you an idea of the stuff that I personally like, and it might inspire you to shop in the places that I go shop in. Before I start unboxing, please do subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. Here we go again with the usual crazy. You know what I mean. So let's start with the Black Friday haul. Right, let's start with TK Maxx because I love TK Maxx. Like, some people probably don't like TK Maxx because, as far as I know, some people think it's messy. There's just so much things going on. But guys, I love TK Maxx, especially the beauty section. Always go to that area. So the first thing that I got from TK Maxx is this Innisfree Camellia Essential Hair Mask Pack Volume. I wanted to try it. I've never tried a hair mask before from Korea, and this retails for €5. If I spot something I like from the rails, I just go, I snap it like a crocodile. I take it as soon as I see it. I got this really cute two-tone fluffy jacket. Look at that. This is so soft. I wanted a brown fluffy teddy bear jacket like this, but I couldn't find any, so I decided to just get the pink one. And this is Me Jane, designed in New York, and this was €24. Color is so cute. I like my pink. Yeah, it's just so fluffy. Ooh. The inside is fluffy, and the sleeves is also fluffy. And especially it's winter, we're gonna need something to warm us up. I got in the black and white version of that pink jacket, but the pink one has only zipper. This one is a little bit different, but still the same, you know. It has zipper but also has buttons in it. I really like this because the pocket has zipper. This one is more secure. Then I got my Christmas jumper for Christmas. As soon as I went inside the shop, this was the first thing I saw. It was just like right in front of me, and I was like, oh yeah. This is so pretty. Look how sparkly it is. The only problem is that it's quite itchy. It's kind of fraying as well. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't care because it's the prettiest Christmas jumper I've ever seen. And this was €27. This is actually for Sophie. I don't think she would like to wear this, but these are socks. It's so cute. Another pink fluffy jumper. Fluffy and pink is just something that really attracts me. I mean, like, it's cute, right? Even though I already have a fluffy pink jumper, right? This one doesn't have a fluffy inside. It's still super cozy inside, and this was €28. And it says Maybe Baby. I love it. I was wearing heels at the time while I was shopping, so my feet started to hurt. So I decided to buy these shoes. They were on sale for €7. I just changed into these shoes while I was shopping. This really helped me throughout the day, and plus I can use it over and over again. Super comfortable. So the last two things that I got, some hair ties. Like, some people don't like hair ties like this because it pulls their hair, but this one I really like because I have a really flat head. This just adds more volume to my hair whenever I tie it in a ponytail, and I can never have too much of them. I always lose my hair ties. Last one that I got, this is a body mist Sweet Macaroon, and this was for €5. And the only reason why I got it is because it's pink. It has glitters on it, and it smells really good. Very subtle scent of sweetness in it. This is the perfume that I got from Maxx. This is my favorite perfume because it's so sweet, but at the same time it's kind of strong. I feel like this is definitely the perfume that suits me. So the first thing that I am picking up here is the MUA Makeup Academy Pro Base Makeup Remover Stick. So the reason as to why I got this is because the color is pink. I want to do a review on it. Like, I've never seen a makeup remover stick, so I'm gonna try this in a separate video. And then I needed a primer because I am running out of primers. So I wanted to try out this Face Studio Prime Pore Minimizing Primer from Maybelline New York. It has blurring powders according to this, and I have big pores, so this would be a great, you know, primer for my pores. My usual favorite mascara from Maybelline, the Colossal Go Extreme Volume, has to be waterproof. I've been using it for a really long time now. This is the only mascara that holds the curls of my lashes. And then I got a Revolution Luxury Powder Banana. I am so running out of powder, it's so annoying. And this is my favorite powder at the moment, a drugstore powder. This is kind of like another version of the Benai banana powder, and this is in a cheaper price. Another Maybelline waterproof brow gel, and this lasts for 2 days. And then the last thing that I got from Superdrug is the Simple Hydrating Cleansing Oil that removes makeup, no greasy residue as well. And I love oil makeup remover like this. It was on sale, so that's why I decided to get it. I still have a lot of makeup remover, but I still got this instead because it was cheap. Okay. That's what's inside of it. So exciting. I paid like $10 for this. You know, I used this code and I thought it was like for free if I used a code and I'll get free things like this. But I realized I paid $10 for it. Those are the stuff that I got, like little sample sizes from them. I got some midnight calming cream, some deep cleansing oil, some blemish cream, vitamin E mask, and supple preparation facial toner, honey mask. And then the last one is this mandelic acid skin prep water. They're just the perfect size for traveling. Like, one sachet is enough for me for 3 days. So, oh, and they gave me a free mug's worth mask again. This is going into the giveaway pile. Ooh, we scratched to win prizes. 4th place. I win 5% off voucher. Ooh, we got a book in here. Base makeup tips for teens. So I got another supple preparation all over lotion. This is my second bottle now because I just really like it because it doesn't smell like anything and it's really moisturizing on the skin. The next thing that I got is a Pore Zero Night Cream, tightening pores, whitening wrinkle cares. And this would just like tighten my pores and improve the skin condition while sleeping. It doesn't really have a scent. I got a concealer, creamy and natural fit concealer that covers spots and pores. It is in the shade of natural. It does feel like there's not much product in here. That's a good color. Claire's BB Cream. This is a illuminating supple blemish cream with SPF 40, and you look so wonderful just the way you are. Be natural. Claire's Control Sebum. It's wrinkle care and also a whitening product. There wasn't any choices when it comes to the shades as well, so hopefully this is not too pale or not too dark for me. Well, that definitely looks very pale, but when I blend it, it kind of disappears into my own color. Pretty Little Thing. This was the first thing that I got online, and this was supposed to be a dress that I wanted to wear for a Christmas party, but unfortunately there is a color scheme that I have to follow. Off shoulders with the sleeve underneath, and it's a peplum on the mid waist, and also it is below the knee type of dress. So I thought it was so cute, and I feel like this would cover my slabs. Oh my gosh, look at this. You're so Too-Faced. Yeah. I've never received a package with so much stuff like this, but I'm just gonna try and not to like make a mess because I'll probably put this in one of my friend's presents just so I can get rid of the mess. So I got Too Faced Peachy Primer and also a Peach and Mist. So those are the two things that I got. Look how cute it is. As usual, it has a really cute packaging. And this is the primer. Yeah, it smells like peach. Shake me, baby. So it is a mattifying setting spray infused with peach and sweet fig cream. Why is it not spraying? Is it broken? There we go. It smells so good. This is the last thing, I promise. So this is the only thing I got from Beauty Bay. So Mario Badescu Skincare 50th Anniversary Edition. This is what I got. I really wanted to try Mario Badescu because my friend recommended the... Oh, is there something in my... Recommended the this one over here. Then I saw on Beauty Bay that they had like loads of different stuff in there that was really interesting. This cleansing gel, this drying lotion, and silver powder and flower and tonic mask, and I was like, I need those. Enzyme Cleansing Gel. It is a best-selling face wash that cleanses, brightens, and gently exfoliates to rejuvenate all skin type. Oh, it smells like cucumber. This is a non-foaming gel cleanser. I don't know if I'm gonna like that because I really like my cleansers to be, you know, foamy. I have tried this facial spray before and I love it so much. It smells like rose. It does what it says in the packaging, which gives you hydration and also creates a dewy, radiant skin. We have drying lotion. I saw someone from Instagram and they were recommending this if you have spots. She says she can't live without this, so I decided to try out this drying lotion. It's an award-winning must-have. This is an on-spot solution and you use this overnight and it dries up your acne. All you have to do is like dip your Q-tip and just put it on your spots. And also it's so cute because it's pink. Ooh, that is so strong. It smells like hand sanitizer mixed with really strong alcohol. Really minty. That product is so scary to use on my face. We got silver powder in a flower tonic mask. Flower and tonic mask gently cleanses your skin of pore clogging buildup and excess oil. Nice. Silver powder, what it does is help draw blackheads and excess oil and other impurities from the skin. Combats shining in the T-zone. Helps decongesting pores and balancing oil in the skin. Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna use all these products on my face. This is a lot of skincare for like one face. I'll figure it out. So that is all the products that I got for Black Friday haul. Hopefully you guys liked that video and hopefully you found something that is interesting. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button.